Have you ever wondered how often Raiz, your friendly neighborhood investment app, showers its users with dividends? Raiz is a fantastic tool for passive investing. It automatically invests your spare change into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. One of the perks of investing in stocks and ETFs is the potential to receive dividends. But how often can you expect these dividend payments from Raiz? How often does Raiz pay out? Well, the frequency of Raiz dividend payments can vary depending on the specific ETFs in your portfolio. However, most ETFs pay dividends quarterly. This means you could potentially receive dividend payments 4 times a year. A closer look at dividend timing. To get a precise understanding of your dividend schedule, you can check your Raiz app. Log into your Raiz app. Navigate to your portfolio. Look for the specific ETFs you've invested in. Each ETF will have its own dividend history and future payment dates. Consult the ETF provider's website. You can directly visit the website of the ETF provider. They often have a dedicated investor relations section. This section provides detailed information about dividend policies, including payment dates. Factors affecting dividend payments. A few factors can influence the timing and amount of your Raiz dividends. ETF's dividend policy. Each ETF has its own dividend policy, determining the frequency and amount of distributions. Market conditions, economic factors, and market performance can impact the dividends declared by companies. Raiz processing time. Once you receive dividends from the ETFs, Raiz may take a few days to process and credit them to your account. Maximizing your dividend returns. While you can't control the exact timing of dividend payments, you can take steps to maximize your returns. DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Consider enabling the DRIP feature in your Raiz account. This automatically reinvests your dividends into additional shares of the ETFs, allowing your investments to compound over time. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you can reduce the impact of market volatility and potentially increase your long-term returns. Diversification, spread your investments across various ETFs to reduce risk and potentially increase your overall dividend income. Long-term perspective, remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay patient and focused on your financial goals. While the exact frequency of Raiz dividend payments can vary, understanding the factors involved and taking proactive steps can help you maximize your returns. By staying informed and making strategic investment decisions, you can enjoy the benefits of passive income and watch your wealth grow over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.